An army court has recommended life imprisonment for Captain Bhupender Singh involved in the staged killings of three men at Amshipora in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian district in 2020. In this video, we will understand how the armed forces punish their personnel for a crime. But before that, let's rewind to 2020. On July 18, 2020, troops led by the officer shot dead three people, Imtiaz Ahmed, Abrar Ahmed and Mohammad Ibrar from Jammu Rajouri district. They branded them terrorists. A special investigation team of the Jammu and Kashmir police filed a charge sheet against three people, including an officer, for staging the encounter. The evidence found that troops under Captain Bhupender Singh had exceeded their powers under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. So when the army wants an allegation against its personnel investigated, it first sets up a court of inquiry. This is similar to registering an FIR, that is First Information Report by police. A court of inquiry investigates the complaint but cannot award a punishment. Statements of witnesses are recorded, and then based on the findings, a tentative charge sheet is drawn up by the commanding officer of the accused officer. This is akin to the police filing a charge sheet. Now after this, the hearing of charges takes place, which is like the initial summoning of an accused by the magistrate in a case involving civilians. The summary of evidence is recorded, and once the process is over, a general court-martial is ordered. Now in this stage, the difference in military and civilian cases is only this. In magisterial court, a magistrate announces a sentence when trials are over. But in military cases, GCM announces it in the form of recommendations, which are then sent to the command concerned for legal vetting. Now in this case, the Amshipora encounter case, the recommendation of life imprisonment will be sent to the Army's Northern Command and will be legally vetted by senior officers of the Army's Judge Advocate General Department. So is there any legal recourse available? Under Section 164 of the Army Act, the accused can file a pre-confirmation petition. A pre-confirmation petition goes to the Army commander, who looks into its merits. And the accused can also file a post-confirmation petition. But this is filed with the government since the officer's ranks are removed and the officer is dismissed from service. So when these options are exhausted, the accused can approach the Armed Forces Tribunal, which can suspend the sentence. There is a recent example from 2017 when the tribunal suspended the life sentences awarded to 5 army personnel, including 2 officers, in the Jammu Fake Encounter case of 2010. The victims in that case were allegedly promised jobs by a J&K special police officer and his partners and brought to Himachal to be handed over to the army for only 50,000 each. They were subsequently killed, allegedly in a staged encounter by the troops near the Pakistan border. Now, as per official data, the government received 108 complaints about human rights violations allegedly committed by the army and 8 by the Air Force between 2017 and July 2022. In 2021, the government told Parliament that many of the allegations had eventually turned out to be false.